This uncle. Kynding, Kynding, Kynding. Oh, hey, hey, wow, wow, wow. Show them. Hey. What's up, everyone? What's up, Shillong?
Shillong. What's up, Shillong?
You know Shillong?
Yeah.
Shillong is the capital city of Meghalaya.
Yeah. Shillong. I know Shillong.
Wilaya Hagum, the state name is Meghalaya.
Yeah, Meghalaya.
And then the capital city is Shillong. Yeah.
Yes, we will listen.
So Khasi is what? What is Khasi?
Khasi, I like you.
I like you. I
Right?
really like you.
Yeah, right?
Who are the Khasi? What do you know about Khasi?
Khasi is language.
Khasi is?
Language.
Good, correct.
Yeah, language. Yeah, language.
He said, Khasi, I like you. No. I like you is Jimari.
Jimari, yeah.
Jimari. We reacted to Jimari previously from
Khasi's language.
One Tube song is Jimari.
Yeah.
But Khasi is language.
Yeah.
Also, Khasi is like people. Like here we are in Andhra, Telugu. Telugu are people,
Yeah,
or Telugu are language, right?
Just like us.
Yeah, that is it. Now you got it, right?
Yeah, sorry,
Khasi are
guys.
the people who speak Khasi language. Yeah, guys. Welcome back again. Yeah, this is gabsgabitv from South Sudan, and welcome.
Yes, Muhammadin Abdullah from Sudan. Let us
Enjoy.
listen to
Joy, yeah.
Jessie Lyngdoh.
Jessie Lyngdoh.
What's up, guys? My husband is from Sudan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is our first time, right?
Yeah,
Actually,
first
this
time.
is a
Our first
suggested.
time, yeah.
This is suggested video, and I never reacted to this girl, but everyone was telling react to Jessie Lyngdoh.
Yeah, Jessie Lyngdoh.
I check her channel. From everything I can say honestly, she's kind of a professional and a big musician. Before even reacting, I can just guess that.
Yeah.
So the first music we are going to check today is Kynding.
Kynding.
What does it mean by Kynding, guys?
Yeah.
So Kynding by Jessie Lyngdoh, Feat.SUR, two musicians, Dbryn and Jessie Lyngdoh. So we are just requesting you kindly just subscribe. It will not take anything. We don't want anything much. Subscribe, put on the bell because we are regularly now doing reaction on the Khasi music. So check our other videos like Jimari, Doi Doi, Tate also.
Only Meghalaya.
Yeah, Meghalaya, only love for Meghalaya, guys. Subscribe now, stay tuned, put on the bell. Let's go, Jessie Lyngdoh.
Yeah.
See, their places look like that. They have mountains. See, this is their place only.
Yeah, I know it.
Their places are so beautiful.
That place.
Yeah, in Meghalaya. See, their places are so beautiful and natural, man. There is no subtitle, guys. There is no subtitle, so we are going with the first. Kynding. Kynding. Let's just guess the meaning of Kynding. Just guess anything. What do you think from the music now, right? What do you think Kynding can be?
Kynding, I think kids.
Kids, right?
Yes.
What about you?
Even me.
Even me. This guy is so smart.
Yeah.
I was also going to say that.
Yeah.
Actually, guys, even me, I don't know, but I can say Kynding are kids also.
Yeah.
Kynding, like kids. Because see, from the video we are seeing so many of kids,
so many
and kids are the ones dancing. So tell us the truth. Is it that Kynding are kids or no? Let's start. Okay, Kynding. kids are uncles. Yeah, what about those uncles? Yeah, he's musician. This uncle. Oh, hey, hey, wow, wow, wow. Show them. One, two, this side. Up, down, upward, up, down, forward, up, down. Oh, Kynding, Kynding.
Meghalaya! I like Meghalaya!
Check it, baby.
Yeah, check it.
Check it for them.
If you said yes, come.
The dance is nice.
Yes, that's so nice.
Yeah,
That's so nice.
the dance is so nice. How they are dancing. I just feel like there is one movie I watch in India, but
the culture also is so beautiful.
yeah, the culture. The place, right?
The
The place is so nice and beautiful. So I'm also guessing again that Kynding can be those uncles. You can see uncles there.
Yeah,
kids
maybe,
are there.
maybe.
Yeah, tell us.
I don't know.
No. Oh, Kynding kid.
This is their culture, traditional dress. Yeah, they dress like that. Look at this. Hey, See the women, this is how they dress like this.
Yeah.
So now we saw new culture. I just, I'm having a small doubt. Like, I want to know because in this video only women are wearing like that.
Yes,
Only women.
I think for only women, right?
Yeah.
But men were wearing something different. And we want to know, like in Meghalaya, there is so many tribes, guys. We know Khasi is famous tribe. It's the biggest tribe. So, but I don't know, is this a Khasi tribe, the one they showed in the video? Let us know, guys, and tell us about the other tribe, guys. So in conclusion, the video is nice, amazing, guys.
So nice.
You can
Also-
see,
I think this is a video is special.
yeah, video is nice.
It's so nice.
The video is nice,
Cascades, mountains, culture.
yeah, the place is nice also.
It's, I think it's
Yeah,
beautiful.
you can see from the views also, the video is having a lot of views, meaning that,
clear.
yeah, it's clear that they are,
Yeah, so clear.
yeah, it's amazing video, guys. So love from Africa, guys. Kindly tell us more about her, guys. Well, I think this is the only girl, I can guess that she's famous female singer, Jessie Lyngdoh.
Yes,
Yeah, tell us about, let us know about the other female rappers or singers in Meghalaya, guys. Love from Africa. We love you all, Khasi people. Love
We will
from
see
Africa. See you
you
soon,
in
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya.
Okay.
Become so.
Come.